In this video, we look at a one-wheel drive go-kart. Do a bit of Tokyo drifting and doing a burnout. Alright guys, how you doing? In this video, we're going to look at this one-wheel drive go-kart. This is your standard one-wheel drive go-kart from the 1970s or 80s. So first thing, we put a Predator 212 on here from Harbor Freight. Same motor from the four-wheeler, 100% stock, never touched it. Only thing we did was we still got a little screen part so make a better exhaust flow, but we still want it kind of quiet because we're in the neighborhood. Only brakes you got is this disc brake or band brake, whatever you want to call it. And it does work pretty good, but it only locks up one tire though. An ultimate mod you do want to do on these Predator 212s if you're going to put them on go-karts is disconnect the oil sensor wire, because otherwise you go around a turn and it's just going to cut off. So unplug that if your Predator 212 is wanting to cut off every time you want to go turn. Steering on this is a bit weird. That tire just goes all the way and this tire just like barely turns. Same as that way. We have a real nice cushion foam seat so we don't have our butt numb when we get off of it. Throttle linkage. This place right here was originally for a kill switch, but we just have it back here. This go-kart's been in our family for a very long time. Just about 5 years ago is when we started repainting it, rebuilding it. We put the Predator 212 on there. And it's been running great ever since. Yeah, we've been smugging some tires lately. We'll talk about that later. This thing originally had a 3-horse flathead Briggs on there. We could never get it running. Well, we did, but it ran super crappy. And it was just better just to spend $100 and get one of these things. As you can see, a single traction rear end is not very practical. I would be ripping donuts on the concrete, but you know, the chain comes up every single time and it's a bit of annoying. Oh my gosh, guys, that is freaking sticky. I would keep going, but this is the only tire I have right now, so I don't really feel like going out and buying another one. But, you know, having a little burnout is better than no burnout. You can't really see that on camera, but that's a good bit of smoke out there. These little Harbor Freight tires is what I call a $3.99 specials, because you can just buy them and do burnouts and then make tons of smoke. By the way, guys, look how many tires we got for this thing. We have a tractor tread here, but it just literally digs holes all around in the yard. Yeah, we got so many different tires here. One of these tires are actually the original tire. Got another one back there. And also check this out. This came out of like a 350 that ran for like, I don't know, less than 2 minutes, and the engine just completely just blew up. There's like broken parts, everything. All right, guys, that was freaking insane. We have done mini burnouts before, but I hadn't really done one on camera. We did do a burnout with this, but we didn't really film it. So I will be making a video about that soon. Dang, turn this, okay. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, click all the buttons on YouTube or say to click. If you didn't like this video, click on thumbs down twice. If you want to do any of that. And y'all should see me in the next one, hopefully.